Hey guys, this is how I do my illusion crochet braid pattern. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop, got big dreams.
Hey y'all, so I recently did boho human hair crochet braids and decided to show you guys how I did my illusion method braid pattern. You definitely want to get you one of these three-way mirrors so your parts in the back are straight. I got mine from Amazon and I'll leave the link below. So I'm going to start in the back with my individuals, and to smooth the hair down, I'm using this Lock and Twist Braid Gel. It's really good. It doesn't flake and it really sets the hair in place. And don't worry about any white that you see from the gel. That will dissipate as the gel absorbs into the hair. I'm going to do 2 rows of individuals in the back and connect the braids in the bottom row to the braids in the top row. Okay, so now that we're done in the back, I'm going to move to the front, and I do about 4 or 5 rows depending on how much space I have. Okay, so we are on our last individual, and that took a long time, y'all, but we are done. And now what I'm gonna do is a snake braid to braid down the rest of the hair, and I'm gonna pull the ends of the individuals underneath that first row of snake braid and just finish it off. Now guys, I'm gonna tell you, this braid pattern takes a lot longer to do than the straight back cornrow, but it's worth it because it makes your crochet braids look like individuals and the finished look is so beautiful and flawless. This braid pattern works so well. I wore my Eon human hair boho crochet braids for 4 weeks, and this braid pattern looked good the entire time. If you want to see the final look, check out my next video.